Future tense. I love the way the English is future tense. So now the way you put your energy in speaking good English, future tense. I need you to put the energy in speaking a good Yoruba. Chatty ba. Again in Yoruba. That's how we pay. We are sitting. A recent tense they ban so loju patako. We are the kini we are sitting. We what does we means? We is a pronoun. Sit means in Yoruba. Joko, Oshe, Kushe. There should be something before the sitting. What is that word? What is that indicator? Joko, Kushe. Joko. But now when I say we sit, our Joko. That's beautiful, Kushe. Our Joko. This one is a simple tense. We sit is just a simple present tense. What is the indicator for past tense that you are Kiloshe? Our soon. Our I will write it down. Our can also be said as what? Also be said kushe